Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs here in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 29191T. 2020s are out. This Jeep Unlimited Rubicon is bright white in color. It's equipped with a 2-liter turbo, 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, the Rubicon is the biggest and baddest of the Jeeps. Got LED lighting, 33-inch tires on them. They're actually a 17-inch rim. I love that Rubicon hood. This has a Sky One Touch convertible top on it. Right there, folks. Now this has a black leather interior with the Rubicon name red stitched into the back of it. Got red stitching throughout the seats. And these are heated leather seats. Look at the red accents throughout this. Really sharp. Even on the shifter boots. Steering wheel, it's heated leather with the red stitching in it. Touchscreen radio. Backup camera on these now. Cruise control. Uconnect hands-free telephone. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Got the Jeep floor mats in it, the slush mats. Of course, you got the speakers integrated into the roll bar. Whole lot of fun right here, folks. For your camping, pulling behind an RV, or what have you. You got rear parking assist on this one. Got the red tow hook. It's a Rubicon signature there. Of course, you know, when they start doing this backup camera on these, that really helps. Rear wiper on these. You've got the roll bar is painted the same color as the outside, it's bright white. Big Alpine subwoofer here. Sharp Jeep. This also has an advanced safety group, adaptive cruise control with stop on it, advanced brake assist, daytime running lamps. There's all kinds of goodies in here. Now, Sky One Touch power tops is really a big option here. Cold weather group, remote start. Now the radio is a 4-inch Uconnect radio with a 7-inch display. Again, 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Bright white in color. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.